Well, hello folks, this is John with Ozarks Backroads. I'm back with you today. We're out on the Tiger 800 here. We're at a little state park in southern Missouri. It's Alley Springs State Park. We're gonna check out a road that runs along the Jacks Fork River just east of Alley Springs. It runs from Alley Springs to Eminence, Missouri. I'll put a map up here and show you where we're at. I've been told this is a really scenic ride. I needed to come out and check it out, so that's what I'm going to do. We'll see how it looks. I believe this is it here over this bridge. Local traffic only. Alright, it is. Woo! That was pretty cool. There's a shot of the little spring creek there. Alright, this will be our road here. It's pretty much just a goat trail. There's some cool steps going up into the woods. I wonder what that's all about. Ozark Trail. That's a trailhead right there. That's pretty cool. Looks like a poison ivy. A trail of poison ivy. Spring's really rolling. This whole all of the water here in this creek running through here is out of Alley Spring. That's the only source for this. You can see it's all full of watercress, that green that grows on the bottom. So you know it's a spring-fed. It's all spring-fed. So that's a lot of water for one spring right there. Yeah, this is really cool. And then here's where we go dump into the Jacks Fork River right here. Oh man, look at this. Big old bluff hanging out over the trail. Kind of rough. Oh shoot. Yeah, that's pretty deep out there. I'm not going to flood my bike today. It's not worth it. I'm a long ways from the house. Tell you what we need to do is we need to fly the drone right here. Hopefully all that'll turn out good. We can go into Eminence, get back on the highway, go into Eminence, and come back around and come in on this road from Eminence from the other direction, and probably get right back down here if it's not flooded out anywhere else, however far we can get. We might go ahead and do that and try to get the rest of the road doing it that way. See if I can get out of here without dumping this thing. Just don't want to back it off in the river. That's the most important thing. If you've never seen Alley Spring, there's a spring mill up here. I'll put a link in the description below for that video. I've done several videos on the Alley Spring and the mill and the spring itself. And I'll put some of those links down if you're interested. I'm not going to go there today. I want to get on over here and come back down this road the other way. And then it's underwater. The river's over the road about a quarter mile or half mile.
Really?
Yeah, it goes to Eminence.
Oh.
But
people drive down here?
well, not today. It's underwater, but yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Thank you.
You bet. All right. I'm tour guide, giving people advice. So yeah, I'll put the links up there for the Alley Spring video, one of them, if you're interested. We'll run down here and go over the this is the bridge we saw in the drone video over the Jacks Fork River right here. There's the river. Then there's a campground right over here as well. Pretty nice when they got a lot of hookups back in there and places to camp for big RVs. That's a nice campground. That's the Alley Springs campground. It's a state campground. We'll run on over to Eminence and see if we can find the road back. I'm sure we can get along the river for a little ways. We made it back to Eminence, and I found my road up here that's going to take us down along the creek here. And I'll put this up on the map for you. So this is Farm Road 106-308 from Eminence to Alley Springs. There, here you go. A creek that's not concrete. I like that. I say I do. Yeah, this is quite a little ride right here. Nice. Good reason to live in the Ozarks, I suppose. Come find these kind of places for yourself. Actually, I was told about this one. I didn't really find it by myself. Somebody had to do that for me, but I checked them out, making sure they were right. They were. All right. More water. Uh-oh, there's the Ranger. Good, how are you?
Did I see you going back toward from Alley?
Yeah,
You just make the loop?
the river's over the road.
Yeah.
There at the bluff.
Right.
So
Nice.
come in from the other way. I just came in from the other end.
Right, yeah. Have a safe ride.
You bet, thanks. All right, we're going downhill now. Oh man, look at this. Woo! River over here. Beautiful. No problem, wasn't that soft at all. I was afraid that bottom would be real soft. Looked like sand. It was all right. Yeah. I could run right along this edge, but I'm not going to do it today. I'm by myself and I'm a long ways from the house. If something happened, oh man, that would really suck. I need to do this road in the middle of the summer when it's not all flooded. That's going to be the time to do it. We might stop down here and take a quick flight. Take a look at the river right up here. How about this? That ought to work. They can get around me there. Looks to me like the only person comes up and down this road is the the game ranger, the park ranger. All right, let's get this drone up in there, see what's going on. They're kicking back, having a pretty good time. That's the way to get to Alley Springs right there. Well, we took a little flight there on the river. Got more pictures of the river. We'll see how all that turns out. This is one of them places I'm going to have to come back to when the water isn't so high, along about July or August, and I can make it all the way through the road. There's about a mile of it here that's right on the river, and it looks like most of it's underwater right now. So that ain't cool, but you know, something to do later. All right, we're going to see if we can get back out of here without going down in any of them creek crossings. All right, Faith. There we go. I can already tell I'm not in the right mode. Motor wouldn't pick up for me. There we go. Boy, this is just an old river bottom right here. This is just gorgeous along this old bluff here where the river cut down eons ago. Really nice. Oh yeah, I remember that. Like a big old truck might have got hung right there. Oh yeah, this is a lovely road. I'll definitely be back when it dries up a little bit and the river goes down. Go all the way through. I think I got a feeling I missed the best part of it right there along the river where it's all underwater, and that's probably going to be the prettiest stuff. We'll go back right through here. Well folks, I appreciate you all hanging out with me and checking out a road alongside the river there. That's one we'll have to go back and revisit. When the river goes down, we'll go back and get through the rest of that road that we didn't get to today. Until I catch up with you again, y'all take care of yourselves. We'll catch you next time.